My name is Joseph McKay, and I'm a Vice President with Thompson and Associates, which is a national leader in providing charitable estate planning services. My role as a Thompson Associate is to work with a charity like yours that hosts our service for guiding promising prospective donors through a value-based estate planning process that generates millions of dollars in planned gifts. A great many charities rely on this Thompson process for two important reasons. First, it inevitably results in sizable planned gifts for your organization. And secondly, the individuals you invite to participate in the process will truly appreciate you and your organization for the very personalized written estate plan they will receive for their attorney to implement. I would like to take a few minutes to discuss how this service can enhance your plan giving program and to explain why it is unique and very different from traditional plan giving efforts. First of all, the Thompson program is designed to facilitate your donor's ultimate planned gift. We conduct several private meetings with individual donors over a period of time at the charity location to develop custom-tailored estate plans based on their values, challenges, and charitable goals. Naturally, your participating donors will share confidential information with us that your plan giving officer almost never gets to see, including their personal goals, values, and objectives regarding their estate plan, and their personal financial information about their assets and obligations. Now, as you know, donors are not inclined to share all this private information with a fundraising organization, but are willing to do so as part of a confidential estate planning process. As a result, a plan giving officer is simply not in a position to answer three key questions all donors must ask themselves before they can make their ultimate gift. How much do I need for the remainder of my life and my end-of-life expenses? How much should I leave my loved ones to help them and not hurt them? And would I rather see my executor write a check to the IRS for estate and income taxes, or can I direct those funds to my favorite charities? By addressing these questions, the Thompson program opens the door so your participating donors can be very philanthropic. In answering these and other questions, each Thompson Associate brings a strong charitable estate planning background. And my colleagues and I are personally supported by the Thompson full-time legal team of specialized attorneys who are involved in every step of the planning process. They serve a team of over 40 Thompson Associates, including me. They carefully prepare over 2,000 plans every year, and they provide a wealth of in-depth practical knowledge and experience. Developing personally tailored custom plans for donors is our core and only service. So with these resources, plus the confidential information each participant provides, is it really any wonder that 9 out of 10 Thompson estate plans generate sizable plan gifts for the host charity? There are other reasons why the Thompson process naturally stimulates donor philanthropy. Many of my Thompson colleagues are former estate planning attorneys and can attest that most practicing lawyers do not have a working knowledge of all the various charitable planning concepts and tools that we use on a regular basis. They also know firsthand that the fee-for-service environment in an attorney's office does not easily lend itself to deep probing of a client's values, challenges, and philanthropic goals. Most practicing attorneys must focus on drafting and executing documents in a limited number of visits. They know their clients usually feel like the meter is running, so their time for deep probing is limited. Above all, practicing attorneys are not strongly motivated to take the time to educate a donor about charitable planning vehicles. On the other hand, each Thompson Associate meets with individual donors about 6 times over several months at the charity's office to develop their estate plan based on their values, challenges, and goals. Ask yourself, which do you think will provide your donor with the most suitable atmosphere for deep and thoughtful planning? 6 relaxed, cost-free visits with their Thompson associate versus the billable hour environment in a law office. Moreover, the Thompson process is a carefully structured process with time-tested questionnaires and follow-up steps designed to give donors the time they need to develop their own personal estate plan. As a result, their attorneys really appreciate all the advanced planning that is done for their clients. Although Thompson Associates are not fundraisers, we are a unique resource that connects your organization, your donors, and their attorneys. We do not draft legal documents or sell products and services, but we do educate and assist donors in designing charitable estate plan proposals that they can immediately take to their attorney to review and implement, with peer-to-peer assistance from the Thompson legal team whenever needed. So, in closing, I hope you can see how the Thompson approach both supplements and goes well beyond traditional plan-giving efforts. And it is a very productive and thoughtful way to thank your promising donors for their support. Best of all, on average, our process returns $75 for every dollar invested, securing millions for the nonprofit that hosts our service. Please think about this video message and visit our website to see what our clients and their donors have to say about us. Thank you very much for your time.